And the biggest of them all? What if he's an atheist? Tell. What if he does not believe in Lord Krishna?
Oh, chill, Super Granny. Your Radha will be back.
Upon seeing pretty clothes, you feel they are made for your lord only?
Yes, I think mom is burning the stick and the wig. If someone sees her, our secret will be exposed.
Lata, where is your son? If Radha and Vidya were supposed to get married, then what about all the signs that you gave me?
Looks like Mohan has also agreed to Radha's marriage.
You listen now.
Yes.
See this photo. He's the prospective groom for Radha. Been busy, okay? Go. Hey, who is it? Why do I have to do this today? I could have hugged her more. Hello?
I have found the address that you gave me.
Yeah, I'm on the way.
Okay, listen. Ask me if you have any more question.
Okay, tell me how your father died.
Gungun, come on now. The interview is over. Hriday, you didn't take anything. Dear Radha, offer some sweets to Hriday.
Sure, Aunt Kadambari.
Sorry, I can't do this.
Son, Gungun is just a child. I understand that her questions are troubling you, but please let it go. She's just a child. Forget it.
No, mother. This is not the case. It is the time to make holy offering to the goddess Radha. And I don't eat without doing that.
Oh,
Radha,
Yes,
if possible, can you please get some food for my goddess Radha?
yes, absolutely.
When will Mohan return? It looks like they will get Radha married at any cost.
the guy is fine. But I don't know why I feel that he's not the right one for Radha. Radha,
Yes, Aunt Kadambari.
you can ask Hriday if you want to know anything. Yes, dear, go ahead. Later, don't tell me that I did not give you a chance.
Hello.
Hello, do you know this boy?
This guy? Yeah. It is a sin to even pronounce his name. For what he has done, he deserves to be in hell for that.
You please come with me. We have to tell some people about him. Otherwise, an innocent girl.
No, mister. I don't want to get involved in this matter. Forgive me.
Please listen.
Well, why do you keep Goddess Radha alone? Lord Krishna should be with her, right?
Well, you also keep Lord Krishna alone?
Because his love is so powerful that even though Goddess Radha is not with him, she is always with him.
So what do you think? Goddess Radha's love is not powerful?
No.
I think no one can love as selflessly, as truly as Goddess Radha. No one have ever done that. Without any hope or expectation, she devoted her life for the unconditional love of Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna and Goddess Radha, their love was true and selfless. That's why even today they are considered an ideal pair. Both of you look equally good together.
If both of you agree, can we finalize the wedding date?
Yes, yes.
Tell me, dear. Do you like my son Hriday?
Mohan, where are you? You left me alone when I needed you the most. Where have you gone?
Radha, everyone in this family care about your consent. So say yes only if you're sure. We don't want to hear anything negative from your family later.
God, if you had not given me a signal, then I would have never even thought of Radha with Mohan. Tell me if this is right or wrong. Who is Radha fated to be with? Is it Hriday or it's Mohan?
Tell me, dear. Do you like my son Hriday?
What happened to you? What are you doing outside?
Radha is going to give her consent for the marriage. They are all going to fix the wedding date for Radha. I will get upset with you if Radha leaves the house. I will never ever talk to you.
No. Don't cry, Gungun. That will not happen. I'm here. I will not let it happen, Gungun. Okay? This Hriday, he does not deserve Radha. There won't be a wedding.
Mohan, where are you?
Radha, everyone in this family care about your consent. So say yes only if you're sure.
So far, my grandma never decided anything wrong in my case. So, if she believes Hriday is right for me, he must be the right person. Finally.
Today is an auspicious day. The Pushya Nakshatra is ascending today. There are only 5 minutes for it to end. So let's offer our future son-in-law the token money and the coconut and fix the alliance. It is said, alliances formed during this phase are bound for eternity and are unbreakable. Rameshwar, bring the token money and the coconut.
Finally, the jinx will leave this house.
Shall we begin the ritual? Lord, if you hadn't given me a sign, then this thought would have never come in my mind that Radha should be with Mohan. Tell me, is this right or wrong? Who is Radha destined to be with? Is it Hriday or Mohan? What's this? Mohan took the auspicious token to be given at the auspicious time. What does this indicate?
Grandma, why are you rushing to get Radha married? You have lost your clarity of vision. You can't differentiate between right and wrong. The boy you liked at first sight is not who he seems to be. Granny, he's not a priest. He's a runaway thief from Mathura.
Very good. Hit him once more.
Mohan, stop misbehaving.
What are you doing? Mohan, who allowed you to hit my son? Ma'am, what's going on here? Did you call us here to insult us?
That Hriday is a priest, but the offerings are given by Mohan. Now I don't think that Radha can get married.
Be quiet, Mom. Radha will get married. She has to get out of my life.
Radha may get married or not, that we do not know. But this poor boy will be in trouble.
Shekhar! What is going on here? And why are there so many cops in our house?
Instead of asking me, ask him that. You will know he's not a priest but a thief of Mathura.
What? A thief?
I knew all of you would not believe me, right? Okay, don't believe me. Let's hear him tell the truth. Now you tell me, from the past 6 months, has your temple had another priest praying instead of you? Yes or no?
Yes.
You were thrown out of your own temple. Yes or no?
Yes.
Where were you since 6 months?
I was doing a photography course.
Where?
Mumbai.
Where in Mumbai? Mumbai School of Photography, Motion Genius, or Talking Pictures?
Talking pictures.
Talking Pictures. You are lying. Only Mumbai locals are enrolled in talking pictures. Outsiders don't get in.
You are absolutely right. But I got admission based on my capability.
Oh,
And if you think I am lying, then why are you asking me all of this?
just to see that how low you can stoop. They liked your portfolio and so admitted you. Who are they? Who liked your work? Because in Mumbai there is no institute called Talking Pictures. Where did you do the course? You didn't do any course. He was rotting in prison for stealing for 6 months. Inspector, tell us what he was up to.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Hriday was arrested 6 months ago.
Let me tell all of you why. The temple Hriday was a priest at had a gold idol which was robbed by someone. And do you know where it was found? The dear of all, Mr. Hriday, who is only honest, devoted, and very well bred. The idol was found in Hriday's house. That's why the cops took him away and he was in jail for 6 months. I went to Mathura to his house to find out about him. I found out that he was thrown out from there and all the people are spitting at him. They don't want to speak about him. Am I right or wrong? Tell me, yes or no? I don't know why you came to this house, but I won't spare you. Mohan,
Mohan,
tell me, will you marry Radha?
Let him go.
You thief! You theft by being a priest!
Stop it. Yes, it's all true. It's true? I knew all about it.
What?
Aunt, what are you saying? Did you know about all this?
Yes, I knew the truth about this. Lata and Hriday wanted to tell you the truth, but I stopped them. Mohan, if you want to punish someone for lying, then you'll have to hit me, lash out at me.
Grandma, you know the truth. How can you let him marry Radha?
Will one fake charge make me say no to an honest man? He was accused of something. The charges were false. He didn't steal. He was framed. All the allegations against him are fake. The trustees of the temple framed him. They wanted to take over the temple. The people whom you met were also involved in all this. Those people cooked up a story. And whatever they told you, you believed it, Mohan. You thought it was true.
How do you know what you said just now is true?
Listen, Mohan. I have seen a bit of the world. I admit that your social status is higher than mine. But I am older than you, Mohan. I'm older than your mother and old enough to be her mother. I can differentiate between truth and lies. I can investigate myself. I inquired with the devotees at the temple. I asked about Hriday. They told me everything about Hriday and said that he is honest. The whole world may lie, but not Hriday. Lies may be kept hidden, but the truth will never be covered up. Poor Hriday. He was accused of a heinous crime. He had to go to prison despite being innocent. Listen, Mohan. Everyone is not like you, capable of proving his innocence because they are rich. This poor guy is an ordinary person. What could he have done? But still, even when he was in prison, he did all he could. Even while in prison, he was righteous and dutiful. Go and ask the jail authorities. You will learn the truth. You are a lawyer. You have many contacts, right? You can find out the truth. So go and find out.
Just a minute. I will give you the number of the jail. You may talk to him yourself.
Wait. Let me see that number. Please check this.
That is the correct number.
I will make you talk with him. You will get to know the truth about it.
Yes, tell me, Mr. Priest.
Radhe Radhe, Inspector.
How are you?
Everything is fine, sir.
Priest, spare some time for us and visit our place as well. The prisoners still remember your speech by heart. They often talk to me about inviting you again and again. I am being very honest. Your speeches have changed the prisoner's life immensely.
Yes, Inspector. If I get time, I will surely come.
Please do come. And yes, they are still appreciating your musical evening. And Mr. Priest, I need to go on to the round now. I'll call you back once again. Okay? Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Inspector.
Do you want to know anything more? Hriday set up a temple even in the prison. He led many prisoners to a new path. You know, Mohan, those who walk the righteous path can be anywhere. They never forget to be true to their deeds.
I am proud of my son. And I won't allow anyone to accuse my pride anymore. Hriday won't be tested anymore. I admit your granddaughter is worthy, but in any way my son isn't worthless.
Listen,
Enough.
Lata.
Now I will ask the questions, not the other way round. They are your employers, right? Not your family. Then why are they staking their claim to your granddaughter more than you? Especially Mohan. Instead of questioning me, you should ask him, what is the issue if Radha gets married? I can't figure this out. Please explain. I haven't even had a proper conversation with Radha yet. And in the meanwhile, this guy has been to Mathura to dig up my son's past. Why? When it comes to a wedding, consent or rejection is confined to the girl or boy's families. Then who is he to ask questions? And why is he so concerned about her welfare?
Lata, actually,
I admit I am not from Mohan's family. But it's generous of him.
There she again starts Mohan chanting.
Mohan is extremely generous. There is enough place. Assure you that my grandma is just as worried about me. And if my grandma got an alliance for me, she must have investigated it properly. So far, Hriday has come through in every test. So you don't worry.
I admit that Mohan behaved that way for your welfare. But in the bargain, my son was insulted. That is not right. And if something bad is done, people apologize.
But ma'am,
Radha, that will happen here too. Mohan must apologize to my son Hriday.
but why don't you listen to me? I just said so. I apologize on his behalf. He will not
I
apologize.
will apologize. Hriday, please forgive.
Radha is absolutely correct. Saving someone from any pain is as good as worshipping Lord Radha and Krishna. You need to be so brave to stand by your own people. And I don't want to insult you by making me say sorry about it.
If there are no issues, then let's begin the rituals. Rameshwar, give Hriday the coconut and the money and fix the alliance.
But Mom, the auspicious time has passed.
During auspicious time, money and coconut Mohan took.
Be quiet, mother.
If we are happy to be together, all the times are good. There is no need of special moment.
Absolutely right, son. Take this.
But grandmother, if you don't mind, can I talk to Radha in personal for a moment? If you give the permission, so.
Yes, of course, Hriday.
Dear Hriday, you can speak to Radha in the temple.
Sure. Dear Radha,
They make such a great couple. Am I right?
since last few days my mother is looking for girls for my marriage, trying to make me meet with some girls for marriage. Meeting so far, but I haven't seen their pictures. But when it comes to you, I said yes in a moment. Do you know why? Because your name is Radha. But after meeting with you, I realized not only your name, your top to bottom is totally Radha. Now I feel that we are both the side of a single coin. We will be happy once we are together. I want to tell you that I won't get better life partner than you, Radha. Now you tell me if you have something to say so.
What? I don't understand you. I don't have any story, Hriday.
I'm ready to agree whatever you say so. But the question I have in my heart, I will not ask you. That won't be correct, right? Look at me, Radha. There is nothing more than respect for a woman in her life, actually. If a woman ready to destroy her respect for a man, then must be something. She is ready to fight with her family as well. The reason must be one thing, that the guy is very much special for that lady. Yes, Radha. I am talking about you and Mohan. Dear Radha, if you have space in your heart for Mohan since the beginning, then how will you create a space for me in your heart? I don't want to get married with you forcefully in any ways. And this is not important that if I want to get married with you, you also wish the same. I'm going to say something to you and I'm going to say sorry for that. If there is anything between you and Mohan, please do tell me without any hesitation. I won't say anything to anyone. I would bear the responsibility of saying no to you. Dear Radha, marriage is a very auspicious thing. Please don't disrespect this.
Do you want to know whether Mohan and I are involved in any way? Yes, we are. It's a very deep bond. Mohan is really special to me. Do you want to know if I love Mohan or not? Yes, I love him. I love Mohan a lot. The kind of love that you have for Goddess Radha and I have for Lord Krishna. The kind of love a devotee has for their God. Because Mohan had come into my life in the form of God when I was going through the loneliest phase in my life. He gave my life a new direction. He gave me strength. He gave me a reason to live. So yes, I love Mohan.
Mohan, Hriday has come here with a marriage proposal for Radha. And you raised your hand to him without thinking twice? How could you do that, Mohan? Look, I understand that it's very important to know the truth. But you should at least have confirmed first. You should have asked Hriday that why he lied. But no, Mohan, just because of you, all of us were embarrassed today. This is the first time ever that I can't support you.
And this is the first time that I supported you.
Gungun. Elders in the family are there to deal with such things. Look, Gungun, I understand very well that Radha is your friend and you don't want her to leave this house. But that doesn't mean that you can say and do anything you want. And you, Mohan, imagine what they must be thinking about our family. What kind of family is that who doesn't want to get an innocent girl married?
Mom, they did lie to us. We should think about these people who are trying to form a relationship based on a lie.
They didn't lie. I hid the truth from everyone. If I had revealed the truth, would you have let Radha marry Hriday? No, right? Look, all I know is that Hriday is a very nice boy. And my granddaughter will be happy with him. Kadambari, I respect you and your whole family. But if this alliance is broken, then I would blame your family for it.
But Grandma, Radha's wedding...
Enough, Mohan. Why don't you understand? Men and women live in the same society. But society doesn't treat men and women equally. People will forget about the murder charges against you. You will find a nice life partner as well. But after Radha got maligned because of you, people will taunt her over and over again. Please give me a signal. Make a gesture. Tell me that Radha and Mohan are made for each other.
Sometimes you need to take charge of your own life and make decisions for yourself.
First, I will send off my best friend and then I will get married, okay?
No matter what happens, I won't let you marry Mohan.
You are very particular in accounts.
Yes, Mohan sir. I'll return with interest whatever I get.
Fine, so it is great. Everything is set. Now, you are here, I am here. Even the wedding would be here.